let's make slime together. So I was scrolling and I found out this picture. So I thought of making a slime inspired from this picture. So without wasting a minute, let's do it together. So for this, we are gonna need lots of clay. Roll the sleeves up. So first of all, I'm gonna make the strawberries. I did shoot the whole part of making strawberries, but later I found that part was just not saved. So here's just the clip. Let's color this brown. And now we are doing the 3 layer of cake sponge. Here we go with the first one. So here's a little bit of clear slime, and this is clay. We are going to make our white frosting. I think we should add more clay in it. Let's start assembling. A layer of strawberries in it. So for the chocolate, I use Choco Waffle Delight slime, and I just mix some clay and snow in it. So here it is. No matter how much I tried it, it wasn't sticking on the sides. So I just did on the top, and now let's cut it. It's totally a mess. But let's mix it. Let me know how I did it in the comment section.